Hello, welcome to my beginner crochet channel. Today, I will demonstrate how to change colors seamlessly while preventing unsightly knots. Color variations are particularly advantageous for stripes, borders, or multicolored patterns. The key is to implement them at the appropriate moment. Knit a small block using a base color. In the final step of the stitch, incorporate the new color. Ensure the yarns are taut. Proceed with the new color. Do not cut the yarn excessively short. Conceal the strands using the same hook. Preserve the same tension as with the preceding color. You are now engaged with the new hue of the initial stitch of the forthcoming round or sequence. Supplementary guidance. When altering the color at the conclusion of a straight row, execute the change in the final stitch, just prior to turning, ensuring that the new color begins at the edge. If it is a circle or granny square, transition to the final stitch of the round and join with a slip stitch using the new color. You may create a small striped sample to examine the visual effect of the change. Observe the simplicity of the process. Your multicolored projects will now appear significantly more professional.